Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 64, class 10 subject science, and today we discuss about the electromagnetic induction. What is electromagnetic induction? It is first studied by the English physicist, that is Michael Faraday, in 1831. He is the Michael Faraday. What Michael Faraday said: when a conductor is placed in changing magnetic field and some current is induced in it. Whenever we placed any conductor in changing magnetic field, then we see there is induction of current, and this current is called induced current, and this phenomena is called electromagnetic induction. Just have a look to the activity 1. Take a coil of the wire AB having a large number of the turn and connect to the galvanometer. And what is a galvanometer? It is an instrument, student, that can detect the presence of the current in a circuit. If there is no current, its pointer remain at 0, and if there is a current, then it deflect either to the left and either to the right of 0 mark. So take a bar magnet, student, and its north pole and south pole. Its north pole towards the coil. Whenever the magnet is moved into the coil, there is a momentary deflection which indicate the presence of current. Secondly, when the magnet is kept stationary, there is no deflection. And the thirdly, we note when we withdrawn the magnet out, there is also a momentary deflection, but in the opposite direction. It means the motion of the magnet induced a current, and this current is shown by the galvanometer. Second activity, student, we take here two coils. One has large number of the turns and the second has the very less number of the turns. Which has the large number of turn, we connect with the battery and a key, and the second one with a galvanometer. Whenever we press the key, the amount of current pass through that coil, and we see the deflection in here. It means a current is induced in the second coil due to the first, and this is called the electromagnetic induction. So the process by which a changing magnetic field induced a current in another conductor is called electromagnetic induction, used in generator, galvanometer and transformers. And how can we induce the current? By the placement of an electric conductor in the changing magnetic field, or placement of a moving conductor in the static magnetic field. These two ways are to induce the current. And what is the rule here? That is Fleming right hand rule. Here your forefinger indicate the magnetic field, medium finger indicate the current induced, and your thumb points about the movement of the conductor. So this is your Fleming right hand rule. Now let's do the exercise here. First question, what is electromagnetic induction? Who discovered it? And write one application here. So we have the answers in our worksheet right here now. What is the first answer, student? This is your first answer, electromagnetic induction, its applications, and discovered by Michael Faraday. So this is your first answer. Second one, ways to induce the current. So these are the two ways you have to write here. Thirdly, state the Fleming right hand rule. This is the diagram of Fleming right hand rule, and this is the description here. So this is the answer of your third question. And if you like that worksheet, share with your friend circle, subscribe our channel Learning Light for notifications. Thank you.